Get him off
the dock. And if they collapse, this tower might leave behind a giant pile of broken bones.
This guy is doing backflips off the
I can't do anything now.
People are doing a stunt just by making a stack that tall.
So here we have a sort of cheerleading competition for really stupid guys.
They got it. But apparently, the 7-man tower wasn't good
See who it is? Same dude just knocked himself out.
They decided that they're gonna really go for it.
7-man flip, you ain't got it. I'm the 8-man flip.
They did the 7-man, now they go for the 8-man.
Let's go.
Well, the 8-man was cold and windy.
8-man, look. Did you do it?
It was a great idea.
Eight guys up. Look, go back.
Understand the word limits.
No.
Because gravity, inertia, sweat, especially the psychology in the mind of the stunt person, to be sure all the time that this is going to be successful and it's going to be a victory. They don't have the sensibility of it.
It just proves the old adage. 7 is company, 8 is a concussion.
In Germany, 8 teams from 10 nations are locked in a heated battle. They press on through their death-defying acts to see who will be crowned the flat-out champion of extreme iron.
There are no words for the crazy cracker act that this is.
Extreme running is like this dangerous sport that combines the thrill of an extreme outdoor activity with the satisfaction of world pressure.
Some people don't get it, and that's fine. Yeah, the important thing is competitors are having a really great time.
I do love ironing. Every day, I go to my neighbor's houses to do ironing.
This couldn't be more German, unless they were like, you know, trying to get France fans out.
Do you know what I consider extreme?
Quick.
Anyone